In this video, we're going to explore how cancellation reasons are handled in the admin panel of our software. Let's navigate to cancellation reasons under Settings. We have different categories for cancellation reasons: for customers, drivers, corporates, dispatchers, and hotels. Let's understand it from a customer perspective. If a customer wants to cancel a ride, they are presented with these listed reasons. Not just that, we also offer an other option allowing customers to add their own specific reasons. As an admin, you can add or delete cancellation reasons for the customer. It's similar for the driver. If they choose to cancel a ride after accepting it, the app will show these reasons. They also get the option to specify other reasons if the listed ones are not applicable. As an admin, you can manage these reasons by adding or deleting them. Moving on to the corporate level, the process remains the same. If a corporate account wants to cancel a trip, the system will show all these reasons. You, as an admin, have the authority to manage these reasons. Similarly, for dispatchers and hotels, they can cancel a ride with any of these reasons, or provide their own under Other. These reasons are shown in the respective dispatcher or hotel panel. As an admin, you have the flexibility to add or remove any reason for cancellation. So, that wraps up the functionality of adding and managing cancellation reasons in our admin panel. Hope this helps you understand why we have incorporated this feature. It provides flexibility and insight into why cancellations happen and allows us to better manage and mitigate them.